Assalamu alaikum, I'm Manar from Morocco and you're watching Moroccistani Reactions. In today's video, I'll react to a vlog by FLO. People in Pakistan, what are they like? My surprising travel in Pakistan. So आइए देखते हैं, let's start the video. 1, 2, 3.
New Zealand, Saudi Arabia, Vietnam. I've met many people from so many different countries. But I still had one question. Hey Siri, what are Pakistanis like? Siri? No answer. So I flew to Pakistan to find out for myself. This is the story of how my friend Jacob and I discovered the real face of Pakistani people. In Peshawar, a city right next to the border with Afghanistan. But first, we had to get there from the capital Islamabad. Road trip!
Always help you.
Yeah, it's amazing. We were heading to Nabila's place. She and her family were so kind to be our couchsurfing hosts for 2 nights. So we were wandering around, didn't know where to go, and then we found this nice guy. Good. Taking pictures. Man, how kind are the people. We literally arrived there, they have a room prepared for us, the kids take us there, you know, was this a servant actually? I'm not sure, who was that? Yes. He comes, he asks us if we want tea, we're gonna explore the city now, but they are incredible. We're sitting in a cab right now where a friend is driving us into the city. It's just incredible. You have something to add?
No, Mr. Travel Boss.
It was perfectly said.
We found Jacob's son. That's why he loves Pakistan.
Pakistan, we to go.
Man, the people are so nice here. It's incredible. We were walking in the mosque, we were walking around, and then this guy, he asked us if we want to see the viewpoint. Of course we want to see the viewpoint, yeah. So he's giving us some infos. So kind. So we found this cricket game. It's nice. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on. Seems intense. Okay. And
तारीख से दी क्यों बना ले तारीख से दी ओके हाँ गो गो
Epic. Epic try.
Ah, yeah, not good. I have to practice.
How did it go, bro?
I totally rocked it. This is why Germany is one of the best cricket countries in the world.
Pakistan. Yeah bro, Pakistan.
So this is the old city and it's absolute crazy. As you can see, it's just buzzing on around me, but people are so friendly, so nice. But it's crazy, it's absolutely crazy. Here, it's hi, how are you? Good, how are you? Germany. But people are so friendly, they're so nice, but it's absolutely craziness. It's a nice was offered tea. Best people in Pakistan. Best people.
The shower.
Thank you so much. And thank you so much, guys.
Okay, nice look.
Thank you. So we're taking videos and showing the locals. It's super nice and they're just so amazing. I was just invited for tea. People are so incredibly nice. I'm almost feeling rude because people keep offering us tea and I already had two. And yeah, you move on a few meters and then they offer you tea again. They're so nice. It's so kind. But yeah, if I would just have tea, I could spend the whole month here.
Next day.
Tired. Hello! Pakistan!
Look. Yes. Ah, see? Good.
Play badminton with the locals. Perfect. Yeah. Okay, boss. Awesome. Oh, thank you so much. We were going into town to meet Shahid and Muhammad, two amazing guys who were going to show us the city. It's absolutely insane. It's information overload. It's insane. So this one kid started to ask him a question and immediately people come and listen to it. Alright, we're in the market right now and we're looking real Pakistani now.
Yes.
What do you think?
Real
guys?
Pathan. Yes, you're a Chatrali and mixed Pathan. You're looking like a Pathan as well as a Chatrali person.
That's the best. Oh, Shukriya. Thank you so much.
Yes.
Oh. So we were just offered green tea, so of course, I love the green tea here. People keep asking if we're Chitrali, that's where their hats are from, but no, we're European. So I leave him for like 1 second and this is what I come back to, like, yeah, this is what I come back to.
My name is Muhammad bin Malik, and I really love to show other people, the loving people of other countries, my city, that how loving we are, how great we are, how old we are. So, cheers, high five.
A casual day in Peshawar. They were playing cricket and now the ball fell into there and it's actually a pile of shit. So yeah, there we go. This is like
What is casual thing.
Yeah, it's a very casual, normal. It's a normal day.
We
Oh, there we go. Yeah. Wait, you did this as well?
Nutritious, yes, it's nutritious, so hygienic.
See, we are too weak in Europe. This is how you grow your immune system. This is exactly like this.
शाए मदीना मदीने के वाली सारे नबी तेरे दर के सवाली.
Oh, you are out. You have just hit the wickets. You have just hit the wickets. Oh my God.
So we're heading back now. What a fantastic day, and we just walk in here and it's amazing how friendly the people are. They're just interested in what we're doing with the cameras, but everybody's smiling, everybody's happy and just waving at us. The kids are excited. It's so beautiful, really, and it's absolutely safe. So beautiful. In the evening, we went out with Adam, the son of our couchsurfing host, and met his friends. And it's interview time again, now with Nabila, our amazing host, who let us here stay in her house, where we couchsurfed for 2 days.
I'm really sad about the perspective which has been given to the world outside Pakistan, that women here are being captivated and confined, they're kept confined to their homes. It's not so.
Oh my god, people are so nice. I just got this as a gift. How amazing are the people? Really, how amazing.
Pakistanis are super friendly and it is a great country. I recommend everyone to visit and meet the amazing people.
I know, Siri. I know.
So उससे पहले कि सीरी जवाब दे, उसको जवाब मिल गया पाकिस्तान जाकर, उसको जवाब मिल गया कि पाकिस्तानी लोग कैसे होते हैं, और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इसका भी बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, लोगों से मिलकर जो है अच्छा लगा है, और उसको अंदाज़ा हो गया है कि पाकिस्तानी लोग कितने हॉस्पिटेबल है, कितने वेलकमिंग एंड काइंड है. जो पाकिस्तानी लोगों से मिलता है उसको पता चलता है कि पाकिस्तानी लोग कितने दिल के अच्छे होते हैं और कितने काइंड लोग हैं. सो ये भी उनमें से एक है जो भी हम व्लॉग देखते हैं उससे बहुत खुशी होती है कि लोग बाहर से आते हैं और पाकिस्तान जाकर उनका एक बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त एक्सपीरियंस रहता है, एक मेमोरेबल और लाइफ टाइम के लिए जो है यादगार एक्सपीरियंस रहता है। और जो भी उनके दिमाग में गलत फहमियाँ होती हैं पाकिस्तान के बारे में, पाकिस्तान जाकर वो सारी गलत फहमियाँ दूर होती है और उनको सच पता चलता है पाकिस्तान का कि कितना खूबसूरत मुल्क है और कितने अच्छे लोग हैं पाकिस्तान के। सो ऐसे व्लॉग्स देखकर बहुत खुशी होती है कि लोग वहाँ जाकर उनका एक बहुत ज़बरदस्त और मेमोरेबल एक्सपीरियंस रहता है। सो ये थी आज की वीडियो। उम्मीद है कि आप सबको पसंद आई होगी। मिलते हैं इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। चल देना अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा। फ़ी अमानिल्लाह।
मेरा धरती